Hello everyone, I Guillermo will explain problem number 4, which is the following. Y equals 4 natural log in, times in parentheses 3x divided by 4 times cubic root of 5 minus 2x. First of all, we're going to put a check mark or a mark on the y to clarify that we are finding the derivative of y. Now our first step is going to be using the properties of natural log, which, if you remember correctly, when natural log is multiplying two numbers that are also multiplying, what we do is put a natural log on each of the numbers and add both numbers, as you can see in line 2. In line 2 we have 4 times, in parentheses, natural log of 3x divided by 4 plus natural log of 5 minus 2x divided by 1/3, which, because 1/3, by being divided by 1/3, is the same as being divided by cubic root. So now for the third step, what we're gonna do is also using the properties of natural log with the exponents. If you remember, when there's an exponent, what we do is actually we move the exponent to the front, as you can see in line 3. We move the exponent from 3x divided by 4 to the front. So now we have 4 natural log of 3x, and we do the same with the other one. So now for the next step, what you should get is derivative of y equals 4 times, in parentheses, 4 natural log of 3x plus 1/3 times natural log of 5 minus 2x. And now we're going to do is get the derivatives from the natural logs. I remember correctly, the derivative of natural log is the derivative of what you have next to natural log divided by what you originally have inside there. So derivative of u divided by u. And if you remember correctly, u is basically what is next to the natural log to the right. So if we do that, the derivative of 3x is 3 over 3x, which is being multiplied by 4, times the derivative of 5 minus 2x, which should be minus 2 or negative 2, over the normal u, which is 5 minus 2x, multiplying by 1/3. So in this step, in the end, you should get 4 times 3 over 3x plus 1/3 times negative 2 over 5 minus 2x. Now for the next step, what we're going to do is simply combine or multiply the terms that we already have on the step above, in the last step. And for that, we simply multiply 4 times 3 divided by 3x. We can eliminate the 3's, and we get in the end 4x, 4 over x, as you can see on the fifth line, I believe. So 4 over x plus, and then in the other ones, if we're multiplying 1/3 by negative 2 over 5 minus 2x, we simply multiply 3 by both of the terms that we have on the lower part. So negative 2 over 3 times 5 minus 2 times 3. So that should give us negative 2 over 3 times 5, 15, minus 2 times 3, 6. So we should get negative 2 over 15 minus 6x. Now the final step is simply multiplying the 4 that we have aside by both terms. So 4 times 4 equals 16 over x minus 2 times 4, which equals negative 8. So in the end, we should get as a final answer 16 over x minus 8 over 15 minus 6x. Thank you for your attention. Minus 8 over 15 minus 6x. Thank you for your time.